In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a simple task management system in Notion. We're going to build a clean, practical workspace that helps you capture your tasks, organize them clearly, and review what needs attention each day. The goal here is not to create anything overly complicated. Instead, this setup is designed to be easy to maintain, so you'll actually want to use it consistently. To begin, create a task database in Notion. This will be the central place where all of your tasks live. You can start with a new page and insert a database, then give it a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. Think of this database as your master task list. Keeping everything in one place makes it much easier to stay organized and avoid losing track of important work. Once the database is ready, add the key fields you'll need to manage your tasks effectively. Create a status field so you can track whether something has not started, is in progress, or is completed. Add a due date field so you can see when each task needs to be finished. Then include a priority field to help you quickly spot what matters most. Finally, add a category field so you can group tasks by type, such as work, personal, study, or anything else that fits your routine. These fields give your database structure and make filtering much more useful later on. Next, start entering all of your tasks into the database. Add each task as its own item and fill in the fields as clearly as possible. Be consistent with your task names and details so everything stays easy to scan. If a task has a deadline, make sure the due date is entered. If it's especially important, mark the right priority. The more complete your entries are, the more helpful your system will be. After your tasks are in place, create a filtered view for tasks due today. This view is useful for focusing only on what needs immediate attention. By narrowing the list to today's tasks, you remove distractions and make daily planning much simpler. Then create a separate view for upcoming tasks. This view should show future work, helping you look ahead and prepare before deadlines arrive. It's a great way to stay proactive instead of always reacting at the last minute. You should also create a completed view for finished tasks. This gives you a space to review what's been done without cluttering your active task list. It can also be motivating to see your progress over time. Finally, make it a habit to update task status daily. A task system only works if it reflects reality. Spend a few moments each day reviewing what's done, what's in progress, and what needs to be scheduled next. That simple routine keeps your Notion Task Manager accurate, useful, and easy to trust.